Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use bullet points in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document and you can see I already make here the two list by using the bullet points. You can move anywhere this both list. I show you here to move. So you can see anywhere move and set the both list. So let's see how it's done. Go to the Insert tab and click on the Tables option. Then select the 2 by 1. After that, just click here and add your list. So I simply add here A, B and C. Same as here, I add A and B and C. Okay. Then I click on this box and select the both list, and here I just click on it and increase the font size. See the changes over here. Okay, then I select the first list, go to the home tab. In paragraphs group have a bullets option. Just click on the bullets and you can see the bullets is added. Same for the second list. Select the list, go to the home tab and click on the bullet. You can see the second list bullets also added. Now I just decrease the size of this table. Set the size in list. Okay, so I set. Now I want to remove this border of table. So just click on this box, right click of the mouse, click on the table properties, click on the borders and shadings, and in borders tab click on the none. Here you can see the preview, the border is showing. When you click on the none option, the border will remove. I just click on here none and you can see now in preview the border is not showing. Then click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the border is not showing. Now you can easily drag this both list. Just click on this icon and you can easily move both list anywhere and set in your Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.